In this segment, we're going to cover rotating the engine 180 degrees, and that will bring up the next firing order. We were last adjusting the valves on cylinder number 3. The next cylinder in order will be cylinder number 4. So once again, watching the upper cams, and each one of those sprockets will only turn 90 degrees, turn it counterclockwise. And our two alignment marks should change from pointing straight up to right at each other in the middle again. And the up marks on the crank, the cam sprockets will be in the down position. And I've got a little bit more to go. And when at all possible, when you're turning this, you'll want to avoid overturning it because you don't want to turn the engine the wrong direction. It allows slack and free play in the belt and can affect the alignment. That'll conclude this segment of rotating the engine 180 degrees. We've now got it set for the valve adjustment on cylinder number 4. Please watch our next segment on adjusting the intake valve, cylinder number 4, part 1.